I'm looking for Paulie Gatto.
Luca. Luca sends his love. So, you Luca's new errand boy?
I ain't nobody's errand boy.
Hey, take a joke, why don't you?
Take it easy. Take it easy. Look, Luca told us about you. He's just, busting your balls, Paulie. Right, Paulie? Thinks he's a comedian.
Meet Monty Malone. He ain't a pretty sight, but...
My friends call me Monk. Pleased to meet you.
Likewise.
Okay, this ain't no tea party. We got work to do. Now follow me. It's right around the corner. The Undertaker's daughter just got out of the hospital. She got beat up pretty bad by a couple of punks.
We gotta off these guys.
No, we're under orders. Just beat them up real bad. So keep you cool. I'll show you what to do.
Me and Paulie are just gonna chaperone over here, make sure things don't get out of hand.
Quiet. Come on, follow me.
Don't make Luca a liar, all right? He said you wouldn't have any problem teaching these two degenerates a lesson.
Oh, shit. Don't let him get away.
Run! I've got money. I'll pay you.
Now you're talking. Oh, that's gotta hurt. Oh, not bad. I think this kid can fight, Paulie. Stupid fuck ran into the graveyard. Don't know how he thinks he's gonna get out.
She's just so damn broad. We were just having some fun.
Well. Looks like there's nobody home in this one.
Nah, he's down there. Maybe he can use some company.
Please, I won't do it again.
Oh, we know you ain't gonna do it again. Jeez, should have learned to treat the dames a little nicer, with a little respect. Now it's too late. Good night, sweetheart. Come on, that's enough.
Follow me. It's for your own good. This ain't no weapon like from your army boy days, but it'll do the job. Come on, let's see what you can do.
Hey, thanks.
It's a loud one. Scares away curious people. Can't be traced neither. Give that dummy a few slugs to the chest. What if your target's wearing a vest? Then you gotta aim for an arm or a leg. See? Learn fast, kid. Okay, tough guy. Take him down. That's the way. Bene. Now, let's work on your aim.
Shut up down there! Goddamn thugs! Shut the fuck up!
I got something to do for the Don. It's a secret, and we're the only ones who know, so let's keep it that way, huh? Don Corleone wants me to act like I'm unhappy here and make peace with Sollozzo so I can get on the inside. There's an alley over there where you can keep an eye on the meeting. Now, if anything happens, get out of there fast and find Monk.
Io ho capito che non sei contento più con la famiglia Corleone. Capace che vuoi cambiare. Ti vuoi mettere con me?
Pas des ordres sono buoni.
$50.000 dal principio.
Va bene.
D'accordo. Va bene?
Grazie.
Found the bastard. Bastard!
wrong. I'm the bastard. You're mine. Come on, I promised you this. Kill you.
Monk.
Yeah?
Monk. Something terrible's happened.
Hey, not on the telephone, kid. All right, I'll meet you.
When?
Barbershop on March Street. I'll meet you down there this afternoon.
But...
I can't make it sooner. Keep your mouth shut, all right? I'll see you later.